Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. Today we are going to be discussing about HelloBar, and this is the best conversion tool for websites. Now, before we dive in, you can access the website using the link in the description to get extended free trial as well exclusive benefits and rewards. So make sure to check that out. Now, coming on to the platform, you can see I have added my domain in here and it has automatically grabbed a snapshot of it, and it is now going to be telling me about different aspects of the site. Now, the first thing I would like to highlight is it has this goals feature that you can use to simply specify that what is the goal of your platform. Like, for example, this is a digital platform and digital marketing software, so of course we are going to be receiving a lot of emails, messages and calls for different products, and we can specify which is the goal. So I'm going to be selecting collect emails, like for example, and you can also see at the bottom of the page we have different tabs that could be utilized for different features as well, like for example the pop-ups and the templates and the yes or no feature, which is basically the questions. Now on the left side of your screen you can see the layout, which is having different options, like for example bar, customizable bar at the top or bottom of your site, so it is going to be adding that. You can also add the targeting if you want to target, like for example mobile users, you can set mobile users from here, and similarly for the homepage users for the desktop, and the yes or no questions that you can add. It is basically a premium feature, so make sure to check that out as well. Their pricing starts from like $39 per month with wide range of features. And yeah, also we have the design, the bar style, input fields, input field style, and settings and conversions that you are going to be getting. So make sure to try this platform out by yourself as well. You can completely modify the page as well using the tools above. And yeah guys, that is it for this video. Make sure to head over to the link in the description to get extended free trial as well exclusive benefits and rewards. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.